Hello, voice is audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So good morning to one and all. What is the answer of this question? Can anybody got the answer of this question? Current. What will be the value of current? Yesterday.
28.57.
What is that?
28.44.
28.47 ampere. एवढं तर आलं का सगळ्यांचं 28.4
Yes.
इथपर्यंत आलंय का?
Yes.
I will check the answer. Correct. Absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct. The answer of this yesterday's homework question is 28.4 ampere. Okay. Just within a 2 minutes I can solve it. सगळ्यांचं आले का answer?
Yes.
Everybody got the answer. Answer of this question, that is the value of current flowing through this is nothing but the 28.4 ampere. आता बघा पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं आहे, जस्ट सिंपल वन इज देअर. V इज इक्वल टू IR फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे. R साठी आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करणार आहे? वी हॅव टू फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ R इक्विव्हॅलंट. ओके, we have to find out the value of R equivalent. Now what happens? Just here itself I am what I can do here itself I will just use and write that one. ह्याचं किती येणार आहे when these two resistances, what value we are getting here? 4 ohm. Okay, means what happens if I will do here like this and just see here, I will get here as the 4 ohm. Okay, here now 4 ohm, this 4 ohm parallel, how much it is? 4 ohm parallel 2 ohm.
2 ohm.
So just see what happens here. If I will erase this one, and what happens, this will be the, if I will connect here, it will be the 2 ohm. Okay, now what you can proceed further. how we can proceed further? This
2 ohm and 1 ohm.
आता इथं आपण इथपर्यंत आलेलो आहे. ओके, नाउ व्हॉट यू आर गोइंग टू डू? कुठून स्टार्ट करणार आता? दिस 2 ohm and this 1 ohm, they are connected in they are connected in
Series.
correct, absolutely correct. So what it will happen?
Plus 3 ohm.
Simply
Okay,
addition.
3 ohm. Just I will write here. Sorry. Here it is. Sorry, here how much it is? 2 ohm. Okay. And whenever I will come to this is nothing but the 3 ohm. Okay. Now how they are connected, this 3 ohm and 2 ohm?
Parallel.
So what will be this equivalent resistance? किती येत आहे?
1.2 ohm.
1.2 ohm. Okay. म्हणजे हे कसं येणार आहे बघा? 1.2 म्हणजे like this one, this will remain as it is here, and this is the 1.2 ohm. Okay, now this 1.2 and this 2 are in
Series.
Series.
Means how much you are getting final? This 2 plus
3.2.
this 1.2, how much it is? 3.2.
3.2.
Now see here, this is the, now this is the 2 ohm resistance. This is a 2 ohm and this is the how much it is? किती आलता?
4.
3.2.
3.2 ohm. Okay, got it now? Everybody got it? Now
Yes.
this 3.2 and this 2, how much they are connected?
Parallel.
Parallel. किती येतं त्याचा resistance?
4.
Okay. Just a minute. This 2 ohm and this 3.2 ohm, they are connected in parallel. So what will be this equivalent resistance?
1.23.
1.230.
1.23. Okay, so just see how much it will came. Like this one. This is the 1 ohm as it is, like this one, and this is the 1.23, correct?
Yes.
Now these two resistances, how they are connected in series. So what will be the equivalent resistance?
2.23.
What is that? 2.
2.23.
Okay, that is the what? See here how it is connected.
Parallel.
2.23 ohm, and this is the 2 ohm. Okay, just a minute. So what will be the final resistance when these two resistances are connected in parallel?
1.05.
How much it is?
1.054.
Okay, so what will be that one? 1 point. See, I'm writing here. 1 point. How much it is? 0.054 ohm. Now, how to find out the value of current? See, V is equal to I into R, or you can say it is R equivalent. So value of V is 30 is equal to I into R equivalent, how much? 1.054. So the current value you are getting, that is 28.4 ampere. Just a minute. Okay, everybody got this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see here. Now we will take the last example on this series parallel combination, and then we will continue with the next point. Okay, now answer is expected from you people. This also example is somewhat similar like this example, so that we can go proceed further. Baga, I will just write down this example. Find value of current I. Find the value of current I from circuit. Okay, so see, this is the circuit they have given. I will just write here so that I am able to solve it. Otherwise, what it will happen? It will make some confusion to you. See, this is the resistance they have given. Voltage source, 3 ohm resistance. And this is the 2 ohm. Okay, this is the another resistance they have given. This is the another. This is the 2 ohm, 6 ohm. This is the 12 ohm. This is the 2 ohm, 6 ohm, 6 ohm. This is the 2 ohm. This is the 2 ohm and 100 volt. And this is the current flowing through the circuit. So just they want to ask you the value of current. What will be the value of current? Okay. Is it possible to find you?
Yes, sir.
सगळ्यांना येऊ शकते का?
Yes.
Okay, you can take 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you can tell me answer. Otherwise, I will solve it and we will check whether that answer is correct or not. Okay, so take a 10 minutes and solve the example. Everybody, I will ask to any person. I will ask to any person to show you a notebook whether you have solved or not. If you don't know, just try to solve it. येत नसेल प्रयत्न करा, पण सॉल्व करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. Just take a 10 minutes simple example. I will give you procedure. Now see, these two resistances are connected in series, then its equivalent combination connected with parallel, then these two series, then again parallel, then decide here. This is the very important task, what to do here now. Okay, and then this one and this one. Can anybody got the value of current? Hello? Someone got the value of current?
49.45.
How much it is?
49.45.
Just check it properly. Some calculation mistake.
12.5.
How much it is?
12.5.
Just check whether you have calculated R equivalent correctly. Those who are getting, tell me value so that I will tell you whether which value is correct or not.
$7.45.
33.25.
No. First of all, 7.5 is also not correct. Next. Next. How many of you getting this one? That's
Sir, 23.64.
just check some smaller mistakes are there in your calculation. Check it there.
Okay.
Or might be I think 23 is might be I think correct one, because I am finding it correct, because I know all the resistances. Might be 23 ampere is correct one. I think 23 ampere is correct. Let us see what will happen. But whatever the other people are saying, let's check their value. अजून आले का हे सोडून दुसऱ्या कोणाची काय आली का? Might be 23 ampere is the correct well.
33.25.
No, 33.25 is not. It is too much far. Now see, can I solve it? Can I solve it?
Wait, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
हा
33.12.
no 33.12 is not that much near up to this.
Sir, 32.8.
No, check it. Calculations, check it. I think there may be calculation mistakes are there. I know मला सगळे माहिती आहे कुठं करेक्ट आलेत पण कुठं ऑलमोस्ट ऑल पर्सन गेट रॉंग दॅट आय ऑल्सो नो. दॅट्स वाय पर्पजफुली आय हॅव टेकन दिस एक्झाम्पल. म्हणजे सगळेजण कुठं बरोबर आलेले असणार आहेत हे मला माहिती आहे, कुठपर्यंत बरोबर आलेत पण कुठपर्यंत चुकले हे सुद्धा माहिती आहे मला. तिथून पुढे जे चुकलेले आहेत म्हणून विचारलं कॅन आय सॉल्व इट ऑर सम वी विल वेट फॉर 5 minutes. बघा आता सगळ्यांनी व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्या. ज्यांनी आता व्हॅल्यू काढतायत त्यांनी थोडस ते तुमचं नोटबुक बाजूला ठेवा आणि कॉन्सन्ट्रेटली बघा. नाव सी हिअर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस साइड. दिस 6 ohm sorry. Now this 6 ohm and here it is 6 ohm. Now this 6 ohm and 2 ohm, how they are connected?
Series.
Now, in between these 2 points they are connected in series. Now how I can get next circuit? Just see here. Circuit drawing is important because only in that might be you are facing some calculation mistakes there. Okay, this one, this is okay. I can get here. इथे समजा किंवा काय असं समजा. Okay, and this is the how much it is? This is nothing but the 8 ohm. This 12 ohm. This is the 2 ohm. This is 6 ohm. 6 ohm. 2 ohm. 2 and this is the 100 volt. So how these 12 ohm and 8 ohms are connected now? Parallel. So what will be this resistance? 12 into 8 divided by 12 plus 8. How much it is?
4.8.
26 divided by 20. How much it is?
4.8.
So just see what I'm writing here. I will just erase this one. Okay. Just writing I am here. This is the 2 ohm. And how much this is? 4 point किती येते म्हणले?
4.8.
8 ohm. बरोबर आहे? Now this 4.8 and this 2, how they are connected?
Series.
Series. Now see. Just see here. I am drawing here at the bottom side. This is the as it is 2 ohm. This is also 2 ohm. This is also 6 ohm. 6 ohm. How they are connected? What will be this resistance now?
3.8.
Series असते.
Series.
2 plus this 4.8. How much it is?
6.8.
6.8 ohm. This is 6 ohm. This is 6 ohm. This is 2. This is 2. And this is again 100 volt. Okay. Now this 6.8 and this 6, how they are connected?
Parallel.
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 So what will be this equivalent resistance now?
6.8.
किती येत आहे?
3.18 into 1.
3.18.
Okay, just wait. 3.18 ohm. This is the 6 ohm, 6 ohm, 6 ohm, 2 ohm, and 100 volt. Now next step is very important. I find all people are doing mistake in this one. Now how these 6 ohm and 3.18 ohms are connected?
Parallel.
Obviously आता बघा, जरी आता इथं ह्या पॉइंट पासून ह्या पॉइंट पर्यंत कुठला रेजिस्टन्स कनेक्ट आहे का? इज देयर एनी रेजिस्टन्स इज कनेक्टेड टू दिस पॉइंट?
No.
म्हणजे
No, sir.
हा पॉइंट उचलून इथे जरी ठेवला तरी काय प्रॉब्लेम होणार आहे का? इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लेम? कारण ह्या दोन पॉइंटच्या मध्ये कुठला रेजिस्टन्स कनेक्ट आहे का? नाही. जर इथं जर कुठला रेजिस्टन्स कनेक्ट असता तर हा पॉइंट उचलून मी इथे ठेवू शकत होतो का? वेदर इट इज पॉसिबल फॉर मी?
No.
Why? Because when if resistance is present here, then what will happen? These two resistances are connected in then series. But
Series.
now no resistance is present here. Okay. इथं कुठलाच रेजिस्टन्स प्रेझेंट नाही, त्यामुळे काय होणार आहे? जस्ट सी हिअर. ओके, जस्ट सी हिअर. दिस इज 6 ohm like this one. ओके, नाव म्हणजे आता मी ह्याचीच पुढची फिगर कशी ड्रॉ करू शकतो बघा, तुम्हाला दाखवतो ड्रॉ करून म्हणजे तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल. लाईक दिस वन, दिस इज 100 volt, दिस इज 2 ohm, दिस इज 6 ohm as it is, दिस इज अगेन 6 ohm. आणि मी कसं काढतोय बघा, लाईक दिस वन. हाऊ दे आर कनेक्टेड?
Parallel.
Parallel.
0.18, this 6, this 6, this 2, and this is 100.
So the six नहीं है, 2 है.
Oh sorry, I am really sorry. It's here it is 2, no? Correct, no?
Yes.
Now find out its equivalent resistance. Can anybody find out it?
2.078.
2.078.
2.7.
603.18 divided by 6 plus 3.18. किती येत आहे? How much it is?
2.071.
2.071 ohm. ओके, म्हणजे इथे काय येणार आहे बघा आता. हाऊ आय कॅन राईट दिस? सी हिअर. हे इथून इरेज झालं, लाईक दिस वन. How much it is?
2.078.
0.071 ohm. Okay. Now these two resistances, how they are connected?
Parallel.
Parallel.
Correct. See here. Here in this point and here in this point, no resistance is there. So I can shift to here. Okay. So त्याच पुढचं सर्किट ड्रॉ करतो बघा मी कसं येतंय. This is the 2 ohm. बघा सगळ्यांनी, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and like this one, 2.071 ohm. Now how they are connected? These two, how they are connected? Parallel. म्हणजे ह्यांचा इक्विव्हॅलेंट रेजिस्टन्स काय येणार आहे? 2 into 2.071 divided by 2 plus 2.071. काय ती ह्याची व्हॅल्यू कोण सांगता?
1.019.
1.019 ohm.
7.
1.01.
9 येते.
ओके,
सर तिथे 2.071 नाही आहे, 78 आहे.
आता मला हे आन्सर तुम्हीच सांगितलंय, हे का मी कॅल्क्युलेट केलेलं नाही आन्सर. तिथं किती
Sir,
येते?
फक्त 1च्या जागी 8.
No, no, no.
Ah,
See here. If you are saying no, instead of 1, it is 8. It will create a lot of what I can say disturbance here. इथं काय आता सगळ्यांनी सांगा, whether it is 1 or 8.
8.
8.
8.
Okay. So do it calculation by considering 8 here.
1.019.
1.019. इथे 8 घेतलं तर काय ते 1.019 येते का?
Yes, sir.
ओके, म्हणजे बघा कसं येणार आहे आता. हा 2 ओहमचा रेजिस्टन्स, त्याच्यानंतर हा असा रेजिस्टन्स. दिस इज दी 100 volt. This is the 2 ohm and this is what you can say 1.019 ohm, 100 volt. Now how they are connected, these two resistances?
Series.
Correct.
Series मध्ये आहेत.
Yes, absolutely. कारण बघा जो करंट इथून येईल आय करंट, तोच ह्या पॉइंट पासून परत इकडे फ्लो होईल, त्याला दुसरा पाथच नाही कुठला फ्लो व्हायला. त्यामुळे ह्यांचा रेजिस्टन्स काय येणार आहे फायनली? 2 plus 1.019. किती येतोय हा? 3.019 ओहम. ओके, म्हणजे हा काय झाला आपला आर इक्विव्हॅलेंट. बरोबर आहे का? नाउ व्हॉट वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट? V is equal to I into R. So value of V is 100 volt is equal to I into R. How much it is? 3.019. So tell me the value of current now. What will be that?
33.12.
33.12.
32.36.
33.12.
30
33 येते का?
33.20.
असं येते का?
Sir, 30.
33.
33.
33 लिहिलेलं आहे ते 3 त्या ह्याच्या खाली गेलेलं आहे कशाच्या त्या पर्टिक्युलर स्क्रीनच्या खाली गेलेलं आहे त्यामुळे ते तुम्हाला दिसत नसेल इथे लिहितो वर मी करंटची व्हॅल्यू 33.12 सगळ्यांची येते का ही व्हॅल्यू
Yes. Yes.
आता जे आपण कॅल्क्युलेशन केलं त्याच्याप्रमाणे सगळ्यांची ही व्हॅल्यू येते का बिकॉज दिस इज दी example which is asked into the university. I am not having answer of this question, that's why I am clarifying from you people whether you are getting same value here. Current is equal to 33.12 ampere.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, whenever such a type of example will ask you into the examination. आता बघा ज्यावेळेस आता तुमचा पेपर हा मोस्टली ऑनलाईन असला फक्त तुमच्याकडे स्पीड कशाचा पाहिजे कॅल्सीचा स्पीड तुमच्याकडे पाहिजे आणि कुठला रेजिस्टन्स सिरीज मध्ये आहे कुठला रेजिस्टन्स पॅरलल मध्ये आहे हे जर तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित कळलं देन देर इज अ नो डिफिकल्टी इन टू दिस एक्झाम्पल टू फाइंड आउट दी आन्सर. ओके, पण जर तुम्हाला सिरीज कुठला पॅरलल कुठला सिरीज कुठले पॅरलल कुठले हे जर तुम्ही कन्फ्युजन मध्ये जात असाल तर त्याच्यासाठी काय पाहिजे इट रिक्वायर प्रॅक्टिस 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 अँड ओनली प्रॅक्टिस. Everybody got it? Everybody
Yes.
got this one?
Yes,
It
sir.
require only
Yes, sir.
practice, practice and practice. Okay, now I will give you one example. Let us see how many of you will able to solve. Nice. Me man. Okay, I will give you this example now. Now I am giving another example. Yeah. Just a minute. I will searching university examples so that it is possible for you to solve that one. Okay, लिहा find equivalent resistance between the point A and B. Point A and B. आता हे एक्झाम्पल सगळ्यांना जमलं पाहिजे, डिफिकल्ट असं काही नाहीये, फक्त ज्याला विचारेल त्यांनी आन्सर द्या फक्त. गॉट इट? येईल का आता सगळ्यांना हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करता?
सर अजून एक रेजिस्टन्स राहिला ना.
Resistance राहिली
एक
वेगळी.
रेजिस्टन्स राहिला.
Yeah, I'm writing here. That's I'm searching 6 ohm. Yeah. Is it possible for you to solve now?
Yes, sir.
Go for it now. So it is very simple one. No need to worry. Just if you know the series parallel.
Sir, 10.
Let's
10
we
आले.
will check. We will wait because this is university example. I am not having the value with me. Whatever we are getting means what I can say. Majority persons we are getting value. We will find out it. Okay. Just wait for 5 minutes so that we can go it. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर 10 येते.
Okay, we will wait. Two students got 10 ohm.
सर 10 आन्सर येते 10 ओहम.
Yeah. Yes. How much it is? 10. Okay.
10.
Okay. Good one. I think this much people are getting correct answer means you are getting this series parallel combination.
सर 10 येत आहे.
Okay, 10 ohm. Okay, got it. Now see, I will solve. Those who have not solved, बघा पटपट solve करतो. This 10 ohm and this 2 ohm, they are connected in
Series.
12 and this 6. After writing this 12 and this 6, how they are connected?
Parallel.
Parallel. So how
Parallel.
12
Four.
into 6 divided by 12 plus 6, how it is?
4.
4. Okay, म्हणजे
हा.
कसं आहे ते सर्किट बघा, हे असं 8 ohm as it is राहील, याला तर आपण काही करणार नाही. Okay, sorry, this one, this is 6, this is 4. Now this one and this one, how much it is? 4 ohm, no? 4. This is 8. Now how these 4 and 8 are connected?
Series.
Series.
And this series combination is connected with this in
Parallel.
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 And which 6 ohm resistance is there? 8 plus 4, 12. 12
12.
into 6. Again it will come sit as the
4.
4. म्हणजे
4.
बघा ते कसं येणार आहे, हे as it is असंच राहणार आहे. ओके, हे 8 ohm आणि ते काय होणार आहे 4 ohm. बरोबर आहे का? 4
Yes, sir.
ohm, 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 6 ohm. Okay? Now this 4 ohm, 4 ohm
Series.
Series. 8 ohm.
4 series, या दोघांचं काय येणार आहे? हा,
8
8 ohm.
64 भागिले 16. 16 64.
this 8 ohm again in parallel with this 8 ohm means how much it is?
4.
4. म्हणजे बघा कसं येणार आहे परत, this 6 ohm, this 4 ohm, this 8 ohm. Okay, and like this one, this is the 4 ohm, 4 ohm, this is 8 and this is 6 ohm. Now this 4 ohm and this 4 ohm are connected in
Series.
series and it's a series combination. ह्याच्यासोबत काय असणार?
Parallel with 8 ohm.
Parallel.
Parallel असते.
Again त्याचा आन्सर किती येते?
16 भागिले
8 into 8, हे 8,
4 येते.
8 into 8 divided by 8 plus
4 येते.
correct 64
Four.
divided by 16, that is 4 ohm.
4.
म्हणजे कसं येणार आहे फायनली, this is 1 A, हे B, this is 6 ohm and this is 4 ohm. Now this 6 and
10
4,
ohm.
how they are
Connected in series.
series.
Pa-
म्हणजे who is saying parallel? बघा इकडे
Sorry.
इथून करंट आला तर तो इथून जाईल आणि त्याला हाच पाथ आहे दुसरा फ्लो व्हायला, पाथच नाहीये कुठला. त्याच्यामुळं ए आणि बी मध्ये रेजिस्टन्स किती येतोय? व्हॉट विल बी द रेजिस्टन्स बिटवीन ए अँड बी?
10 ohm.
दॅट इज दी 10 ohm. बरोबर आहे? एव्हरीबडी गॉट दिस वन?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is a one question arises here. See, now I'm writing one diagram to you. I will give one diagram to you. In that diagram, just you suggest, okay, if some diagram is given like this one, okay, बघा अशी जर डायग्राम तुम्हाला एक दिली, Okay, this is point
Star delta combination.
this is point B and this is point C. Okay, and they will ask you that find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. त्यांनी काय सांगितलं, A आणि B मधला इक्विव्हॅलंट रेजिस्टन्स फाइंड आउट करा. याची व्हॅल्यू आहे R1, याची आहे R2, याची आहे R3. तर कसं फाइंड आउट करणार, whether it is possible for you to find it by using series combinations?
No.
Can we say that these R1 and these R2, whether they are connected in series?
No, sir.
See here, when
No, sir.
current is going to flow from this path I, and when it comes to this junction, it is having how many paths for flow? This is first path and this
3
is
path.
second path. Can we say that these two are connected in series? No.
No, sir.
No.
Now, whether we are saying that these two resistances are connected in parallel?
No, sir.
No. See here, one end of this resistance is connected to here, and one end of this R2 resistance connected to here. It's okay, but what about other end? Other end connected आहे का दुसऱ्या कुठल्या common point ला? Whether it is connected?
Mm,
No. Means we can't
नाही,
say
sir.
that R1 and R2 not in series. Then R1 and R2 not in
Not in parallel.
parallel. Then there is a difficulty arises that how to solve such network. Okay, difficulty arises how to solve such network. Now, whenever we are going to solve such network, there is a one possibility, or there is a one way to solve the such network by using the combinations that you can say that it is nothing but the
Star delta
Star
conversion.
delta combination.
combination.
Star delta combination.
ओके, तुम्हाला हे पण माहित पाहिजे, स्टार
माहित.
डेल्टा और डेल्टा
Delta star.
combination. This is the first and this is nothing but the second. Okay, म्हणजे whenever the resistances are not connected in series, or whenever resistance are not connected in parallel, and at that time when a difficulty arises to solve the network, that time we are going to solve the network by using the star delta and delta star combinations. Okay, now this delta star is having different proof and this star delta is having different proof, but what is important for us now, we are only interested as if exam is online, no one will ask you prove that convert equivalent delta resistance into the equivalent star resistance, no one will ask you, but you should know how we have converted the delta resistance to the star and how we are going to convert the star resistance to the delta resistances. Okay, now see, ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल मध्ये they will not ask you that what I can say, find out the equivalent resistance between the terminal A and B using series, parallel and star delta combination. Like that they will not ask you. What they will ask you only, they will ask you that find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. In this way they only ask. Okay, that time whether you have to decide that how to solve this example. आता ज्यावेळेस आपण स्टार डेल्टा आणि डेल्टा स्टार कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करणार आहे, त्यावेळेस असं नसणार आहे की तिथे आपल्याला सिरीज कॉम्बिनेशन, सिरीज पॅरलल कॉम्बिनेशन यूज होणार नाही. आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, जिथं सिरीज पॅरलल कॉम्बिनेशनचे रूल आहेत ते पण आपल्याला तिथे यूज करावे लागणार आहेत. कधी एखाद्या मिडलच्या स्टेपला यूज करावे लागतील किंवा एखाद्या लास्ट स्टेपला यूज करावे लागतील, कधीही यूज करावे लागतील. ओके, एव्हरीबडी गॉट दिस वन. सो whenever such a difficulties arises, whenever difficulty arises, which difficulty? If it is not possible to solve the example using series and parallel combination, that time we are going to find out the answer with the help of star delta and delta star combinations. Okay, maybe maybe if I will get the last lecture of graphics, sir, because today also might be he's giving lecture to me, we can cover the one simple proof, or we will discuss the basic things related to it, and then we will try to cover it. Basic proof, basic in the sense, first we will cover delta to star, and then we will cover how to find out from star to delta. Everybody got it, this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
just a minute.